Hi, my name is Xixuan. I'm a marketing consultant for BMW Groups. Today I will walk you through an analysis of the external factors that drive the consumer behavior of our target market. The BMW Group is the world's leading premium manufacturer of quality automobiles. The company has built ecological and social sustainability and a clear commitment to resource conversions into its value chain. I-Series is BMW new launch since 2011. All the I-Series vehicles are fully electric and are made from 99% of recyclable materials. I've conducted the previous report with the purpose to analyze the internal factors that influence their consumer behavior, in which a target market of complex purchase habit consumers was identified. They have environmentalistic personality and tend to collect extensive information and fully understand the electric car performance before purchasing. We have come up with 3 recommendations for BMW to increase their EV sales by speeding up the research and considering process of our target market. Firstly, the company was advised to optimize their commercial content to attract and retain the attentions of their target market. The second recommendation instead suggested the company to choose the celebrity whose word of mouth and personality are more in line with the target market in order to enhance the brand image so as to influence them. The third recommendation to the company is to focus on promoting the strengths of the I-Series in order to help the consumer to get to know more information and benefits of the products. This time, 2 external factors were identified, which are reference group and culture. Reference group are the groups that have the ability to influence people, opinions, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors such as what consumers think about the products, what the decision-making process, and the ultimate purchasing behavior. In this case, reference group can be family, peers, opinion leaders, and other people who have the influence on decision making. Reference group influence what types and brands of product consumer purchase and choose, especially at the stage when consumers are interested and considering in the purchase. For example, if consumers are interested in the I-Series, when seeing a credible influencer make a recommendation about the I-Series, which will make the consumer feel more confident about completing the purchase. Thus, since consumer decisions are based on the interest, preference, value of the reference group, if we then look at the characteristic of our target market, the typical consumer that can be used as a comparative reference group is the environmental activists, whose needs and concerns are mostly relevant to our target market. This means that if this type of reference group endorse our product, the target market will be more likely to buy it because consumers may consider them more trustworthy. Also, reference group can use celebrities and opinion leaders in order to appeal to the target market. Culture is pervasive and strongly influences consumer behavior via belief, values, and custom. As a result, the way people make choice among brands and services will be different. And the group that influence consumers here are usually the family, friends, co-workers, and other people around them. Some cultures have a general characteristic of being cautious about new experiences. Since car purchases are high involvement purchases and EV purchases are new experience for our target market, this means that their culture influences them to rely more on traditional value. They will learn by observation rather than buying the product immediately. In this case, influenced by the cultural dimensions, the decision-making process of our target market when complex purchase habits consist of problem recognitions, information shares, brand evaluations and selections, and purchase and post-purchase. Now we have a better understanding of the external factors that influence our target market. It is important for the company to craft the marketing strategy accordingly. Therefore, 2 recommendations can be brought forward. Firstly, collaborate with the right KOL on social media. According to Scott, consumers' consumption decisions are mostly based on the reference group. It is necessary to collaborate with a reference group that they can trust and refer to. So he recommended that we can collaborate with the suitable KOLs to create short videos like EV car recommendation videos, unboxing videos of I-Series, and so on, and post to social media platforms such as Instagram and YouTube. In addition, the KOLs we focus to collaborate with are social media influencers. They can be environmental activists, car content YouTubers, and so on. In order to lend credibility to product and help convince, the company is relying on the reference group and attracting consumers based on their common interests and values. By using the right reference groups can give our company social authority among our target markets and help us adjust our messaging to their unique values. The KOL video contents will help our company to share and showcase the functionality, information, and feedback of the I-Series. As selected KOLs have a good reputation, this strategy will allow the target market to get the information they want to know about the I-Series from the videos of the reference group during their research process, and indirectly influenced by the credible reference groups and feel more confident to complete the purchase. Second is focus on the consumer's in-store experience. It is suggested that the company can slightly adjust the in-store sales mode to focus on the in-store experience without the main purpose of selling. This model allows consumers to stay in store longer and interact more with the professional salesperson, thus repeat deepening the image of the brand in the consumer minds. At the same time, the performance, design, and environmental characteristics of the I-Series are better presented to the consumer by the salespersons. After the consumer feel the vehicles, test drive, and fully understand the relevant knowledge of the EV, they will be more clear about the EV whether fit them or not. and finally complete the purchase. This also makes the consumer decision-making process smoother and more comfortable. In order to do better, the company also can train the salespersons about the various cultures' knowledge of the different consumers to really do a good job with the consumer experience. To wrap it up, by implementing the just mentioned recommendations, the company will be able to use the external influencer factors of reference groups and cultures to enhance their consumer behavior that will increase their I-Series EV sales. And hope this video could help BMWs to achieve the desired expectations. So thank you for the attention, and the final slide with references will follow. Have a nice day!